Hi, I'm Sameer Jain at Active Allocator. Let me share with you my thoughts on portfolio construction. Accurate measurement of manager performance is critical because investors cannot add alpha to a portfolio unless they can identify managers that generate alpha. However, analyzing manager performance and comparing performance across managers is often difficult because of differences in investing styles, asset classes, lengths of track record, amongst other issues. So our system is designed based on an approach to analyzing performance that allows investors to compare managers in a like-for-like fashion, including the many different ways to measure manager skill, the decomposition of total returns into its various subcomponents, measurements of return relative to a benchmark, as well as various risk-adjusted return measures. Existing methodologies use measures which do not account for how a manager gains market exposure. A manager could generate high returns by investing in other asset classes. Example, a large cap manager who invests in small cap. In order to compare managers, the system recognizes that returns come from manager skill or alpha and time variant market exposure or beta, because beta can be accessed in a low cost manner through holding benchmark indices. Managers are compared based on their ability to add alpha. Our system strips out market exposures for managers and measures their skill. However, measuring historical skill alone is not enough, for it is often difficult to separate luck from skill, in addition to problems with selection bias and short track records. So this reduces investors' confidence in a manager's ability to sustain historical performance. Our system corrects these problems by both adding other sources of information, example beliefs about steady state performance, as well as explicitly penalizing managers for uncertainty in forecasts of alpha and beta, as well as penalizes active managers if they deviate from this forecast. It re-optimizes existing portfolios by including active managers, as well as it analyzes sensitivity of allocations. So you can see our approach can explain returns by isolating amounts of return by investable factors, by non-investable factors, and skill-based alpha. It allows investors to separate alpha and beta to obtain alpha from the most efficient sources. Our process ascertains the consistency and predictability of skills-based and market exposure over time. So I hope you're beginning to get a sense that this is very different from historical returns, attribution systems, conventional approaches. I encourage you to take a test drive or get in touch with me. Thank you so much for listening in. Bye-bye.